Jess, lumalapit sila sa akin. I squared.
Ayun lang.
Oh my god! It's the twin brother. It's the brotherhood. Really? I'm running. Aray. Oh, hello. I'm alive. Yes, I'm alive.
Oh, yes.
Jess, may shotgun yun. Gamitin.
Where? May
Hara, Jess, hara, Jess. Hara. Hara, Jess. Ha. I dropped 10 for you.
Thank you.
Wala na ba?
Let's go.
Kita mo just the gate. May 2 more to go pa tayo.
Okay lang yan.
Ano okay? It's not... Wait. Jackson?
May chickens ulit.
Jackson or si William ba yan?
Saan? Ay, kaabong chickens!
I'm scared.
Yun na, iyan na kita sa tagos.
Okay.
Ilay, amo tanan.
I have 40 ammo.
Sweet lang.
Am I blind? May nakita akong tao.
Wait
How?
lang, Diyo
How?
na. Kailangan natin magpitas.
1, 2... Gumabos nanda? I cannot see the generator. Jess? Inalin mo to?
I killed one.
Jess. There's one chicken pagtuki mo. Just keep running. You know what? I'm gonna use a shotgun.
Una ko't life.
Never mind, I have no shotgun. Palpak tang code M trainer.
Uy! I'm alam ko na, Jones. Alam ko na.
What did you learn? Palpak ang pag-code M train.
Dapat ay pasabog na itong ano.
Okay. Where? I don't see it. Oh, look, there's more. Ah.
See that?
Dapat i-ano nato sandali, lower. Hey, wait, haron just the generator, oh.
Wait lang. Ako ka ako ka distract sa mga buwan ako life gali.
Wait. Just may paagtong nga manok, may kapagtong nga manok. Balik bak. Bak anay dalang. Haro. Hara just oh.
Oh no, bobo naman.
Hara just oh. There.
Wait lang.
There's a med kit.
We can't die.
Okay, around the chicken, no? Around the chicken. I see it in my 2 eyes.
Ay, wow, nakot bala anymore. Super dami.
Ah, ito pala yung minatay mo. My goodness.
Juna, go.
Around the chicken, no? I'm scared.
Wait, yun ako sa house.
Oh. Ang bilis ah.
Wait. I need to...
Oh, never mind.
Wait,
Nakita
ka?
Yes, saron ang ginahambang chicken. Ah. Chicken kill. Magiging fried chicken ka soon. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko mamatay. Hindi na ako mamatay. Hindi ko man mamatay. Ano ba?
Super dami.
I cannot kill this chicken.
Lagging pa.
Daga, 1v1 kahit manok ka na. Okay. I'm good na, Jess. Papunta na ako, yan.
Juna, yun ako sa
Yes.
elevator.
Anong elevator? Okay ka lang, Jess?
Okay na, sa generator, Juna. Let's go sa another gate.
No, I must... Oh. Where's the gate?
Andun, sa kabila.
Okay,
Let's go, where are you?
I'm
Wait lang, careful lang.
at the very back.
Wait lang.
May
Yung
chicken.
mga na yun.
Ah! Jess, lumalapit sila sa akin. I'm scared.
Yun lang. Kita tayo.
Oh my god! It's the twin brother. It's the brotherhood. Really? I'm running. Aray.
Oh no.
Just shoot the the fire.
I'm dead.
What?
I'm gonna die.
See, I'm not crazy. I saw a people in the shadow. I think.
Oh, this is nakapasok.
Ha? Sino makapasok?
This is nakapasok. Chickens. Look at that, losers.
Wait. Yes, buhi ka pagali. Just may may food. Oh, upgrade movement speed. Wait. Agto ni ko just sorry nga min ko food.
Shit.
Haman. Oh, ammo. May ammo. Harno. Be careful.
Wait lang.
You must do swiggly. Aray!
Ayun.
Why? Just!
Sayang.
All for the ammo. Worth it ba just the ammo?
Yes.
Why?
For the chickens.
Oh, not for the chicken. Ala, just. Oh, bro, may katotohanan. I hope not.
Ano na ako? Malubat.
Charge. Malobat man yan ako. Ay, wait. Wait. There's still a chance.
Saan tayo?
Ay, hello? Nandito ko. Oh. Hello? Jess?
Wait.
Nandito tayo sa second. Jess?
Is nakapasok?
I don't know. I'm scared.
Hindi na brown da.
Ano, brown?
Uy, di nakapasok.
Wala na ako this ammo. Wala na akong ammo, Jess. I took it all for you.
Like this, oh.
You know what? I'm gonna use the knife.
No, hindi. Doon na, mamatay ka.
Ay, wait, sa third. Ano kita eh?
Lose, awa. Pwede na tanong dahil lore yan.
How do we lure? I have no Robux. Just me ammo.
Bleh.
Just what if we make a run for it? Since karaman kita ga no spawn.
Wait lang, di muna, atras.
Oh, look, there's an ammo.
Shotgun lang.
1v1.
Ayun, wala nang ammo. Let's go, Juna.
What if?
Buhay, gaamo na, no? Kita mo.
You know what? I'll just make a run for it. I'll make a run. Oh, hello. First aid kit. Just make a run for it. Pinuta, Jess. The door.
Shit. Buhay.
Oh, hello.
Yun, sumo di ko na. Di ka
Hello.
Di sila kapasok. Yan.
Aray. Jess, why did you do that for me? Ako na lang. Aray. Jess, save me. I don't know.
Ano?
I died.
Wait. Medkit. Wakot medkit.
Yeah. I'm screwed. I screwed myself. What? Wow.
Ano ba abot trap? Dali dapat magtingin-tingin na nakita.
You know what? Hindi ko lang matumbon. I don't know. I do not care.
Ulit. Run lagi kita.
Run lang kita. Pero kung may makita ako, buong ko rayon.
Let's go.
Wait, may mapa tayo, Jess. Check natin. Lumapa. Oh, look. This is the map. Sa lake tayo, Jess. Sa lake. Wakot na gets. Wakot na gets. Excuse me, chicken. But I'm out. Go, Jess. I'm distracting them.
Ay, I'm dead.
Chicken. I'll use the ultimate. Aray.
Ikat mo rin.
Yes. Nakita ko pag ano ko. Aray. You know what? I'm not gonna take it.
May ano pa isa pa na ron Junes. Nice. May isa pa ata.
Where?
Wa na.
What is this?
Sa labas tulad yan.
My dear chicken. Smack.
May bomb.
Don't worry. Ala. Kasangag, tasanda Jess. Harap! Shut up! Ayan. Hello? How do I get out of this?
What?
Yes, I cannot leave. You're not worth it. What? Speedrun. Go away, chicken! Shoot!
lumabas.
Hindi ako makaalis na ano. Araw na gina-stare to death takot na ano. You know what? Ikaw just, ikaw ka lang just tas ako ay mag-run away na lang ako just. Ay nang obrahon. Ay na akong plano.
Kailangan natin sundain kill lahat.
Nakasaksak ko just.
Dua.
Malobat man yan ako kara. Para naka-charge ako. Bahala magsabog ng cellphone. Kaboom.
Kailangan natin sunda mag-kill.
You know what? Just, I'm gonna run. Bahala unda. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Ako ay nag-kill ako.
I'm out. Jess, where are you? Where are you going? Bakit di ka pati napadpad? Jess, na-open kong the door.
Goods. Balik yan.
Then we'll be stuck there forever. Then I'll be stuck there forever.
Wala
Jess, you're gonna die.
Shit, nag-phone. Wait lang.
Okay, kita mo just yung inventory, hindi ka makita yung mga ano, yung mga life.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? Bye-bye just. Goodbye! I must leave. You're on your own. I'm not coming back. I'm not coming back. You're on your own, Just. I must leave and never return. Yeah. I survive.
Ay,
Hey, di ko ma... Okay. Di ko makat eh. It's okay, Jess. I distract them. Pwede ka makaano sa... sa generator.
wait. Wabo! Kailangan ko makasunod sa house.
Yes. Yes, on the kakon. Yes, on the kakon.
Ayun, natakot ako.
You dead?
Patay.
Patay ka?
Hindi. Yung chicken.
Kita...
Ikaw ka, Jun!
I'll be stuck here forever.
Wait lang. Chill.
Oh, they're coming for you.
O, diba? Na-kill ko.
Hello, chicken.
Balik! Wait lang. Rifle ko sanda.
Okay, I'll be staying here forever.
Sayang.
Why? What happened? Oh,
Yun, patay. Wow, nakot bala galing. So
okay.
sad. O, diba napatay ko sa rifle?
Harang may rifle oh sa kotse.
Oh, nakot live.
Just run.
27 na lang.
Dito ako, Jess. Hello? Jess? Look outside. Look outside.
Yes.
Do you see me?
Tingnan ako ni ikaw.
Okay.
Yes.
I don't know where I am. And I'm scared.
May chicken ba dito?
Ah, hello. Jess, we're missing one more generator. Una.
Patay ako.
No. You poor thing. No, you died.
Yes.
It's in the generator.
I don't know.
You don't know? Where am I? Okay, here's the planzo. What the hell? I missed. You're dead. You're dead to me. This is why I hate chicken. Chicken is my enemy. Hello, Jess.
Oh, yung manday kita girl spawn.
Hello, there's a bolt cutter. Kualinda. Oops. Oops. I need this. Okay. What do I do with my life? Jesse, maging hanap to bolt cutter nga ra.
I don't know.
Oh, there's more beneath the eye. Hello, there's a slice of pie. Ah! Oh, ano ba? Kita mo to, Jess? May slice of pie. Kasi maging bodo, bolt cutter nga ron. I think for... I don't know kung alin dun.
Galibot ay ka.
Ito sa likod, no? Ito. We must kaya natin to, Jess. I think.
Uy, nakakapagod.
Ako matun just to stress shot ang. Parang ngayon ako nila chicken. Ah, narinig mo ron sa background nyo. Narinig ko chicken. Oh, ano yun?
Chicken.
Chicken nuggets. Sino ko? Oh, hello.
Wait lang.
You know
Wait
what?
lang. Wala ako medkit. Alam ko, wala quit life.
Wa ko matingit live. Hara Jess, oh. Hara. Hara Jess, oh. Hara.
27 lang.
Ito. Hara, may slice of pie ako. At babalikan niya ako just
Thank you.
babalikan niya ako di ka to. Goodbye.
Ay, wala, nagbalik at baga. Daya.
Ah, never mind. Wala na. Just on my rifle.
Wala na lahat. Wala nang bala and anything.
Wala na talaga. Oh,
Wala.
hara Jess, oh. Sa likod mo. Hara pati, oh.
Oo, nakakuha ko it ammo, Jun.
Hara pati.
Aron,
At pati medkit. Hara, medkit.
hindi, may workout. May medkit ka pa?
Yes, I have one medkit at one apple pie. Sa likod pa nga ni may apple pie.
Ako ga, rifle sa mga
Sa likod, sa
chickens.
likod. Sa likod sanda, Jess. Sa likod sanda. Sa likod mo, sa likod mo. Aron.
Ano? Panay ko, please.
You know what? I'm gonna run, Jess. I'm gonna run. Goodbye. I'm not coming back. I'm telling you, I'm not coming back. Oh, there's a coin. Done. I killed 3 by pure God. I'm running. Chicken, this way. I have a very, very special surprise. A very, very flamey hot Cheeto.
Next one, June.
Isa na lang. Ah, no. Please go away. Yan, sa likod just. Taka kung sindo, ano.
Nice. Finally.
Saan? Nasaan yung ano? Generator?
Ayun.
Aray. Did you die?
No. Dito sa kabila, Junes. Ano meron dito?
Check the map. I have no clue. Saan the generator?
June, after yun.
So, ina malanggali the generator. Nagbalik pagalawaki mo. Una tayo the generator.
Uy, generator.
Ha?
Uy, generator.
Oh.
Nag-ikot. Nag-ikot, June. May
Oh.
pattern to statue. May pattern to statue.
Oh?
Yes.
Wait, let me see. What is that?
Statue nag-iikot. May pattern yan. Walang kinakasayan.
Need sandang itutok. Look around, Jess. I will figure this out.
Nakita ko na generator.
Done, Jess. Ang galing ko talaga. Ang galing ko talaga sa puzzle. And I have tomato sauce malangda. Jess?
Yun, tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce? What the hell, oh?
Generator.
I think needed natin ng patsyon. Hala,
Super na.
aray, Jess. Diyos ko, Lord. Aray. Jess, save me.
Namatay ako.
Namatay man ako. Needed ba yung patsyon? Basi may kiro nag... Wag mong sabihin niya, umanon ko, umando pag ano't puzzle nga to. Ay nako, I don't want it. Worth it ba tomato sauce?
I don't know. Pero sa life yan eh. Alay mo.
Wait, I wanna see my inventory. Never mind, no need na. They're dead, Jess. They're dead.
Yung sa chicken lang.
Alis na lang ako. Goodbye.
May chicken na to yun. Ito lang kailangan na ito i-kill.
Yeah, but I wanna leave. Hara, Jess, oh. I'm not coming back.
Para pala, oh?
Huh? Yes. In case lang, for emergency.
Okay, okay.
Dahan, Jess. Babot ang truck. Ay, wait. Na-remember mo kung alin dumabat mga brothers. May ga-await sa barn. May nag-await sa barn. Katon.
Alin, bayakon ko ron.
No.
Uy, may statue ako nakuha dyan.
Oh, no. Oh, rifle. Ikaw bahala ka ron.
Ang rifle.
Wala na ba sa likod? Oh, well.
Lock.
How mong sabihin niya, patyo na dumano ka to. Yes, we have to kill it. Dahan just the trap. May ano ka? May coin ka?
One lang, one.
I don't know. I-check mo basta may one available.
Wala,
Where's the chicken? Yes, I'm gonna kill the chicken. Hello, chicken. Chicken nuggets. Parang I hit a little bit gamit yung shotgun.
ouch, ouch, yun na. Ay, baba ko sa...
Ah, you died. Why?
Ay, nako.
Bear statue. Ano kaya yan? Ay, wait. You lived. Ay, never mind. Akala ko buhay ka pa. Na-notice mo do ano? Ano, may picture nga rin no, kung loading. It's Jackson. Si Jackson. Ginatro doon ng ano. Ay, Ay. Oh, we're back from the beginning. Basta may ammo, i-adjust. Walang natong kita. Wala eh. Walang ammo. Local authorities continue search for missing person in Cotton Wool Mountains. Ano mo sabihin? Gagto po ito sa mountain. Unan just. And I have no ammo.
Garos naglago nito.
I have no shotgun. And I only have 3 ammo.
What the mouth?
Balik lang, matananay ako di kara. Kasi may makita kung ano. Ammo.
Ay, ano ko na mau, aray ko.
Kara. Iyan natin mo stocksin mo.
Saan ba yun? Ato'y mau.
Hindi natin mo ilor iya.
Ay, bakit na-close? Super lag.
Just back away. I have no ammo. The only thing I can do is stab you. That's the only solution. Is to stab you.
Ano kot amo?
I must stab you to the death. Till the day you die. No! Ging buo na kung ano inside.
Daya man.
Lugi tayo sa amo. Ano pa yan?
Lag pa ako.
Ay, wait. Alin dun, Jess? Kasi may makita kang amo di karon sa sud. Karon, shotgun. My God. Ooh, lapit lang. Okay. Oh. There's
Kaya na
that.
para. Amanda.
Oh, kunta
Nag-restart.
Oo, kunta nagbike lang kunta kita. Sayang. Uman yung man method. Yung stuck imaw. To sige lang do pag baril. Dahan may bear trap. Be careful just. Malapit ka sa gate. Naroon. Nope.
Saan na yun siya?
I have no clue.
Yaro ko, takot tayo. Karoon no. Lag ako. Walgo. Ano ba? Mamatay lang ako sa lag.
Naroon. Balik sa door.
Sino yan yun?
Go to the door. You died.